This is how you assemble an EDC kit by Penn State. I like to start by laying out all the parts and getting rid of all the baggies. Oop. Careful not to drop the parts, which I usually do. Make sure you take note if you have a specific end you want the tip on. This is the tip, this is the rear. So make sure that it's the direction you want. I'm using the Milescraft press. It is best to have this bolted or clamped down. For the sake of the video, I brought it over here to the lathe to show you. Normally mine is bolted to my workbench. But anyway, so you place the part in here. This is a spring-loaded stopper. Put the appropriate number of stops and then advance the handle forward, making sure this stays straight. Now for the back end, you want to make sure and put the clip on it. Not that I would have forgotten that and had to redo it just now. Press and the final press. You can then install the click mechanism. This is the Schmidt 88 click. Cartridge, make sure you take off this tip protector. Get that seated all the way. The spring and the tip of the pen. And that is a really cool looking, very nice click pen. That's the EDC by Penn State.